Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Amia with the wife Amy.
Hello.
And we got our Rookie Explosion box by Filmington. This one is for the month of May. So let's get into it and see what we can get. I'll have Amy get the packs out. And we got 2015 Bowman Jumbo, 17 Bowman Acuna. Hold on a minute. Sorry about that. 2019 Topps Heritage High Number, 21 Topps Chrome NPB, 22 Bowman Retail, 22 Topps Chrome, 22 Topps Stadium Club, and 24 Bowman, which we have not done. If you want to get in on it, that's how you do it. Alrighty.
That's the order that they're in. What do you want to do?
We'll do them backwards. How about that? Oh, maybe not. Hold on. No, because the 24. We'll do them the way they had them. It'll just be easier. Sorry about that. All right, so here you go. 2015 Bowman. It's a jumbo. Don't think we've ever opened that before. Looking for a Devers auto. See if we can get lucky. A lot of cards. All right. Hold down. Okay. So we got Charlie Blackmon, Kershaw, Franco, Pineda, Holiday, Shoemaker, Fowler, Headley. We got some chromes here. We got a first of Carlos Rendon, who's now pitching for the Yankees. So that's pretty cool. Got a Frank Swindell first. He's not playing in the majors no more. I think he just went on a minor league deal after playing in, I think, Japan. Urias, Borden. We got a Ozzie Albies first Bowman paper. Got a Nelson Gomez, Orlando Arcia, Teoscar Hernandez first Bowman paper. Got a Schwarber. We got a gray Daniel Norris, 196 out of 499. Aaron Nola. It's pretty cool. Not sure where'd the names go for these guys. Not sure what's up with that, but I got no names on these three cards. This is Eric Gonzalez.
Weird.
Find out who they are. Steven Matz. That's really weird. And Chris Straighton. Okay, we got a Witty. Albert Alomar. Encarnacion. Desmond. Ethier. Kurt Suzuki. And Greg Holland. So we did get a bunch of stuff in there, just not... I'm going to have to check this out. I don't know what's up with that. Those three in a row. No names. No teams. No nothing. Right? I mean, that's what a normal one looks like. It just doesn't have any of that. Has the Bowman. No position. Oh, no, it does have the positions. Just not in the teams or the... So that's weird. Let us know if you know anything about that. If not, I'm going to say it's a printing error, I guess. All right, 2017 Bowman. Looking for Acuna or Judge. Let's see what we can get. Kershaw. We're going to have a Kershaw box. Altuve, Braun, Fulmer, Cespedes, Perdomo first, Conrad, Hoskins, Stewart, and Tristan McKenzie finishes up that pack. So not a lot going on in that one. We got the high number from 2019. Tatis, Riley, and Vladdy Jr.
I didn't want him to get caught on the corner.
Yeah, Amy's having a little
Losing
problem with that
control.
one on the corner. Romo, Morton, Clark, Hess, Miller. Got a Reese Hoskins and Bryce Harper, Philadelphia Firepower, Presley, Wilmer Flores, and Terrence Gore finishes up that. All right, let's open this. Let's check the back real quick. If we miss anything, let us know. We will be going back through them. We always do. Let's see. All right, so we're looking for Yamamoto, Magnia. I don't know how to say his name. Sasaki and Murakami, maybe. So we'll just look and see if we can see anything here. Osimia or something?
They're hard to see.
Yeah. And a Yamada. I like the 86 design. That was cool. For the Swallows. All right. So it doesn't look like too much going on in that. We got 22 Bowman. This is retail. We're looking for Ellie De La Cruz, Cheerio, Wood, Rafaela, and Montgomery. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully we can get lucky. Newt Bar, De La Cruz, Brujan, Wander Franco, India, Harper, Tatis, Thompson, Vargas, Mead, and we got 2 chromes. We got a Nick Gonzalez and a Luis Mateos. All right, 3 packs left. 22 Topps Chrome. Bobby Witt Jr. auto. Rodriguez, Julio Rodriguez auto. Abrams auto. O'Neal Cruz. Royce Lewis auto. And a Spencer Strider auto. We might have got something orange there. Gurriel Jr. We got a Jared Walsh. Got Max Fried. Oh, cool. An Ohtani.
Nice.
Very nice. And that's numbered 18 or 19. What is that? 19? 19 out of 25.
Nice.
Let's see if it'll focus. Right there. 19 out of 25. Very nice. Take a sleeve, please. Looks very well centered too and everything. It's a nice looking card. Yeah, the orange is nice. So there we go. Sleeve it up real quick. There you go. Nice to 25. That's a nice short print there. All right, Stadium Club Chrome 22. Bobby Witt, Julio Rodriguez, CJ Abrams, O'Neal Cruz, Royce Lewis, and Spencer Strider. So we got a Rowdy Tellez. We got a throwback of Eric Davis there. Honus Wagner. Got an Edgar Martinez. And that's numbered to 50. It's the gold, number 47 of 50. We got a Frankie Montas and a Justin Turner. So let me see a sleeve for that. It's got a nice Edgar Martinez gold. Nice looking card there. All right, last pack, 24 Bowman. We haven't done any of this. Looking for Cruz, Jenkins, Namala, Walcott, Teal, Wilkin, Lombard Jr., Miller, Cespedes, Yamamoto, De La Cruz, and Jason Dominguez. So Kyle Tucker, Strand, Jose Rodriguez, got Jacob Gonzalez, top 100. Cole Emerson, Farmelo, Foster. We got a Carlos Sanchez chrome and a Sabian Sabalas from the Braves. So pretty cool. First time looking at them, they do look great. I love the design. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below, subscribe if you're not, and until next time, keep collecting. Me and the wife are out. Later.